Outfit check. Kita ka naman eh. Sige. Go na.
Okay. Outfit check muna. Outfit check.
Good afternoon, ma'am. This is my presentation for my portfolio in events, management services, NC. This is my company, Music Soul, and my area is a music ministry that in person appearances to worship, harmonize your soul. This is my email address, musicsoul@gmail.com, Facebook page, Music Soul, Instagram, Music Soul, and Twitter is Music Soul. For my company profile, Music Soul is a premier music company dedicated to nurturing new talent, producing high-quality music, and delivering unforgettable live music experiences. Founded in 2024 by industry veterans with decades of experience in the music business, Music Soul has quickly established itself as one of the most dynamic and innovative players in the global music industry. We specialize in artist management, music production, digital distribution, and live event coordination. Our team is passionate about supporting both emerging and established artists, helping them to realize their artistic vision and reach a global audience. Our goal is simple: to provide a platform where great music can thrive, whether it's through record releases, live performances, or digital stream. Our mission at Music Soul is to deliver high quality, genre-defying music production services that bring our clients' creative visions to life. We combine technical expertise with artistic passion to craft original and impactful music, whether it's for albums, soundtracks, advertisements, or digital content. Our commitment to excellence ensures every project resonates with authenticity and creativity. And our mission is to be a transformative force in the music production landscape, leading the way in innovation, sound design, and creative collaboration. We aim to become the preferred partner for artists, producers, and creators worldwide, driving the future of music production and helping our clients break through new sonic frontiers. Next. Service offered. A Music Soul that in person appearances to worship, harmonize your soul. 4-room seminars, exhibition, musical direction, technical support, and liturgical. For physical, production, mechanics, music committee, animators committee, and for technical exams, labs, audiovisual production, and other specialized technical. And my management capabilities. Committee Youth. The Youth Committee is responsible for monitoring, promoting, reviewing, and recommending youth programs conducted by the association. Events management and Sherlyn Adelmo, Event Director, Christian Vanessa, Event Coordinator, and Christian Mendoza, Finance Manager, Frenalyn Suki, Operation Manager, and our Events Management Team, Bertolin Archaga, Sponsorship Coordinator, Yashua Vidal, Logistic Coordinator, and Terix Paman, Marketing Specialist. Organizational chart. Next. Proposal letter. November 15, 2024, Teresa Delbo, Event Director, 1700 San Antonio, Parañaque City, and dear Miss Maria Delbo, I am writing to express my sincere interest in submitting a proposal for the Music Soul at San Antonio de Padua. After careful consideration of the event's objective and requirements, I believe that my proposal aligns perfectly with your vision and goals. We are excited about the prospect of collaborating with your company to bring Music Soul, the harmony into life. This production promises to be a cultural landmark Warm regards, Maria Delbo, Event Coordinator, 0969888075, Music Soul at Quezon City Avenue. Proposal title, Musical Band. Event Summary Description. 1. Ministry of Soul and Theater of Soul is an innovative production that combines compelling, a powerful music and stunning visuals with emotions and social themes depicted in the music soul. The music soul features performances by talented singers and collaboration with musicians and visual effects artists who will contribute the music well. This timing aims to create among the Filipino people a consciousness, respect, and love for the soul of ministry, where the Music Soul Theater to be held at San Antonio de Padua, Paris, Parañaque City, 9668, and venue for musical exclusive productions and more. Why? The purpose of this Music Soul serve as enlightenment and entertainment of Filipino talent, while inviting audiences to engage with important themes and ideas relevant to their own lives. How this event is organized throughout in the entire process. Effective communication, organization, and collaboration of different planners and stakeholders essential for ensuring that the events run smoothly and achieve its artistic and commercial goals. Enlightenment Entertainment, the Music Soul event. This is grand opening. Save the date at Wednesday, January 15, 2025, 9668 San Antonio de Padua. Join us for a spectacular grand opening event. Your presence will make it even more memorable. Event seat plan, balcony core box, audiences technical entrance, audience exit and front. Events tour plan. Same lang siya. Events map, events venue, program, the Music of Soul, together with their families, we celebrate this Music Soul. January 15, 2025, event day 5 p.m., venue San Antonio de Padua, Valley 1, San Antonio. Parañaque City, representative performers, announcement, the Music Soul Harmony, closing performers, that cast and singers. Proposed option. Food proposal with chicken adobo yam, which is uncrisped to her. Budget outline. Expenses. Subtotal is 970,000 and for grand total 1,377,400 and
Option D.
subtotal for option B is 1,295,000 and for grand total for option B is 1,838,900. Quotation from suppliers. Client's name, Sherlyn Andelmo, address, West Avenue, Esa North, Quezon City. Description and total for quotation is 320,000. Food corporation is for total 450,000. Memorandum of Agreement. This Memorandum of Agreement, Music of Soul, as of January 15, 2025, the purpose of this memo is to confirm the understanding we have regarding the creation and subsequent marketing of a musical theatrical property currently entitled The Music of Soul.
Payment of terms.
Payment of terms. Client agreed to pay the organizers that agreed amount of 1,622,600 for the services rendered. Payment shall be made in 2 installments, 60% upon signing of this MOA and the remaining 40% 7 days before the event. Background of my memorandum. Okay.
Reservation.
Reservation agreement.
Rental deposit. Ano siya? So,
For my SWOT analysis, strengths, creative expression, community engagement, cultural influence, weaknesses, seasonal variability, limited audience appeal, limited funding, opportunities, education and outreach, cultural exchange, broad expansion. Threats, regulatory challenges, changing consumers' preferences, health and environmental risks. Action plan. Permit, certificate